Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, like, share, subscribe. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Destiny, and today I have five five fall lipstick combos that are perfect for this season. If you guys like to see these lip combos, please keep watching. All right, y'all. So you guys know me, I love a nude lipstick. Like nude is just everything. Like it just goes with everything. You could just never go wrong with a nude lipstick. But since it's fall, I kind of like to switch it up a little bit and kind of stay away from the nudes. But I do have a nude here that I'm going to show you guys. But let's start off with the Merit Signature Lip in the shade Slip. Now, this lip color is absolutely gorgeous for the fall. I mean, it's gorgeous for any time of the year, but I've used this before, as you guys can see. But it's literally just the perfect, like, brownie, nudie shade that I feel like everyone should have in their collection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line my lips with MAC Chestnut Pencil, which is a staple for lining my lips. I'm also gonna fill in my lips a little bit, just the sides. And then I'm gonna go in with Merit Slip. Yeah, it's like, and it's not matte, it's more like a satin finish, I feel. This is honestly the perfect like 90s lip. That is the shade Slip with MAC Chestnut. But as you guys can see, it's not really matte. Like it gives like a little bit of like a sheen, like a gloss. I would say it's more on the satin side. So that is the shade Slip by Merit. The second lip combo that I have is the PatrickTa She Must Be Nude lipstick with the lip liner as well. And this is the perfect berry shade. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. You guys can see how beautiful this shade is, and it's perfect for fall. So this is what it looks like. It's just like, it's the perfect berry, a little bit of red. It's so beautiful. So I'm going to line my lips with the pencil. I feel like I would wear this lip like for the holidays. It's a perfect holiday shade as well. And I'm also going to fill in my lips too. And then let's go in with the lipstick. This is the shade She Must Be New. Such a pretty berry shade. And I did use the same lip liner, but you can also use like a brown too to kind of mute it a little bit. A brown lip liner would look really, really pretty with this. Maybe I should have did that. Maybe I should have did that lip last because my lips. Don't mind my lips, y'all. Don't mind my lips. Like, I love doing these videos, but like my lips, when I do them, they just look so crazy. So my third lip combo that I have, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade 75 Fighter. And this is like a rusty, like brown shade. It's gorgeous. This is what it looks like. So for this lip, I'm gonna go back in with my MAC Chestnut and I'm going to line my lips. Fill it in as well. That PatrickTa lipstick got my lips looking crazy, y'all. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the Maybelline number 75 Fighter. Yeah, this one, you gotta wear lip liner with this one, for sure. But this is like the perfect, I feel like this is the perfect like pumpkin shade. So this is the shade 75 Fighter. My lips, you guys, my lips, oh, we're almost there. So for my fourth fall combo, I'm gonna go in with the Nars Air Matte Lip Color in the shade Lose Control. And this one kinda is similar to the Maybelline 75 Fighter, just a little bit, but I feel like this one is just a little bit darker. Yeah, this one's a little bit darker and it kinda has like a, kinda looks like a brick red in a way, but like also orange, but it's really pretty. So same thing for this lip. I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in the shade BFF4. And I'm going to line my lips. And then I'm going to go in with Nars Lose Control. And it's very lightweight. Well, duh, air matte. I mean, this one does look similar to the Maybelline 75 Fighter. It's just a little bit more red, I feel like. I feel like the 75 Fighter was a little bit more orangey, but this one is super gorgeous. So this is what Nars Lose Control looks like on the lips. Okay, y'all, last but not least, because my lips are literally screaming. I literally need to go scrub my lips right now. I feel like you cannot have a fall lip without a nude lip. So I'm gonna go in with a MAC lipstick. And lipstick is in the shade Honeylove. And it's really like just a warmy beige nude, which will go perfect with a brown lip liner and a lip gloss. And it's just a perfect fall lip. So for this lip, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Chestnut Lip Pencil. Gonna keep it MAC. This is a nude and it is gonna be a little bit lighter, I'm gonna fill in my lips. I'm gonna go in with Honeylove. I hope it like really shows, because those darker lips kind of like made my lips a little bit like darker a little bit. I hope you guys can see like the true color. But it is really pretty. I'm gonna go back in with my lip liner because this looks really crazy. So this is MAC Honeylove with the MAC Chestnut. You definitely have to wear a lip liner with this because it is really light, but this is what it looks like. Alright you guys, so those were 5 fall lip combos that I feel like would look super pretty during this season. I mean, it'll look pretty all year round, but definitely in the fall. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.